Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm finally going to be unboxing something that I have been waiting on since September. I'm sure the thumbnail is very it's transparent. A lot of you know exactly what it is that I am unboxing today, so let's not mess around. Thanks to my generous patrons. There's a link to my Patreon right down in the description, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This is a huge. I have never ever waited. I mean, even had these come in September, it's the longest I've ever waited for a knife to come in. I've never wanted something so bad that I was willing to put an order in so far in advance, especially, you know, with something was this expensive. But this is something special, guys. Oh yes, Sharp by Design. This is well, what was originally planned to be the 2020 Evo Typhoon is now the 2021 Evo Typhoon. Oh, I am just, I'm beside myself with joy right now. You guys know how I feel about the Evo Typhoon. I ordered this before I had ever actually handled one. And that's because I saw that the newest versions that you had to pre-order a while back had an option for Damasteel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so awesome. This is a fullered harpoon, which is a newer I had to go with the fullered harpoon. Oh, so we have a compound Japanese tanto fullered harpoon in Damasteel. Mine has the grade or tumbled frame and then the carbon fiber inlay, which was just the most perfect. That when I looked at all the different configurations, I'm cleaning off the pocket clip. When I looked at all the different configurations, all the different options, this one immediately stood out to me. And by the way, you're wondering, is everything perfect? Did it come exactly the way that you want? Yeah. There was no question in my mind that it was going to come absolutely perfect. These are made by Riot, designed by Sharp by Design or Brian Nadeau. And yeah, and then I got to handle one, and that was confirmed. Everything. And if you guys don't know, the detent, the way that they do the detent, it's like a lip of steel instead of a traditional ball. What that creates essentially is one of the most satisfying experiences. Now, I've handled one, a full custom, right? And that one was like the ultimate, the penultimate, right, action experience. But the action on these is absolutely insane. Now, for those of you wondering, what did those run? Where can I get it? You can't get the newest. It was part of a pre-order from a while ago. I'm sure hoping that they do it again sometime. But the original, I think the original pre-order versions were available for $350 to $375. Those were M390, and then these guys were a touch over. If you paid in full up front, I think this was $515. It was either $515 or $525. No, I will not be giving this away. No, I will not be selling it. Considering now the story behind it and how long it took for me, which was no fault of Sharp by Design. This was well worth the wait. I was happy to wait and finally get it in hand. This will be staying with me. Absolutely. This is one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen. The design of the Evo Typhoon, I think, is one of the greatest knife designs that exists. And yeah, there's too much good here for me to want to ever let this bad boy go. So, very excited to bring this to you today. And yes, we will do, since I've already reviewed the, boy, that's smooth. Oh, that is almost false shot. Oh boy, that is just the right amount of controlled. Man, they do this right. God, they do this right. I'm so happy with this. So happy, so satisfied. More business will be done in the future with Sharp by Design. God, so happy about this. I will do an overview. I'll give this its own upload, right? But there we go. I teased this for so long. I wouldn't tell people which one I got, but there it is. That's my baby. Thank you very much to Sharp by Design. Excellent work. And to everybody else who picked one of these up, you guys are probably getting yours at about the same time. I'm sure you guys are all overjoyed. So anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Very exciting. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.